Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all fine and doing great. You are watching my channel. It's all about. Now today we talk about the very famous couple Ji Chan Wook and name Jiyeon. Some cutest and lovely moments together. So enjoy the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's all about. Ji Chan Wook and Nam Jiyeon, some lovely together moments. So guys, thanks for watching video. If you like the video, press the like button, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's all about. And see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.